All right, we're going to be going over Loom, but we're going to be shooting a little bit ghetto. I'm using my iPhone to capture the screen because the Loom screen capture won't capture the actual Loom in progress. So we're going to capture what we're seeing as a user. So the first thing, you go to your website and go ahead and click the Loom extension. And we have three drop-down options here: screen and camera. You can do this camera, the screen only, the camera only, and the screen and the cam will get you. And you can put this little box here. You can also move this around to wherever you want to go. If you want to do the full screen camera, it's just this picture right here without the screen at all. You can do it in the current tab. This is a really great function, or the full desktop. So this video is going to show the full desktop because I'm in there, but it can just isolate it to this tab. You do have other options in here for what you do with the background. I don't traditionally use this. If I have a camera view, it's me and you. If I don't, then it is going to be the screen capture, and I don't traditionally use this feature all that much. Choosing the settings, you do the internal. If you have a Bluetooth set up to your computer, it will drop down to this, the face camera. FaceTime is always there. Showing advanced options, you can flip this camera if you like. There's some other drop downs here. I don't use these too much. Recording countdown, I don't like that feature all that much. I think it's too much. I just like shooting the video as long as it takes. That's what it takes. And then that's about it. Now that you have your settings that you want here, we're just gonna shoot record, and then it's going to ask you which screen you actually want for this, and you get to choose that screen. And I'll go ahead and shoot the one that I'm currently on, so I don't embarrass myself with my giant email box. And now here we are. You get a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and now we're live. And once you have this video ready to go, you can change the templates here. Just going to give you a few options. See what we're playing with here. During this video, at any time, you can move this around. Since we're in the current tab option, it's only going to keep it here. But if we are in the full version of the entire screen, this can move anywhere on this screen, which I really like, because if you're trying to highlight some text here and you want to move this little box away, you can also change this picture. If you don't want to do that, then we can change it to some other options. And once this video is complete, it's as easy as if you need to pause it and do other things, now this video is paused, and when you're ready to come back, it'll go right back into it. You can restart it if you have a bad first take, no big deal. And then when you can absolutely trash it if you like. And then the last thing is you're going to hit finish recording. And the second you click this button, it's going to put it in its database of how to get this link. Now this link is live, and you can share this with anybody, and anybody can come and watch this video. I like to make this title changed, specifically if this is two-way partner. I will say, "Hey Dustin, checking in." I will make it catered to that partner. They will have the option to come in here, laugh and heart and like the stuff you do, make comments. They can even record their own comment if they are a user as well. And when they do watch this video, you will get some kind of notification that says, hey, somebody watched this video in particular. And you can go check out the results. Maybe they made some kind of comment, and you can check that out. In this section of the video, you can do some really basic edits to it. I like trimming. If my video was too long, I like to trim it up. So I use the trimming functionality, and this is much like creating any kind of video. You can truncate like what you want to take out and delete if you like. We can split it there. We can delete that part of it. Whatever you want to do, you can always revert back to the original if you don't like the changes that you've adjusted. And you can even speed this up to 1.2, 1.5. Get it any higher than that, and it just sounds like gibberish. Cancel it out. I'm going to discard it. And then call to action. You can make a call to action after they complete this. You can create the call to action that says, hey, go here. This is where we need you to go. Add the URL itself, button text. This is just, there's a lot of great options here with these videos to make this as catered to one person or an audience as you would like. And I really love the features of what they're doing here at Loom. Hope this is helpful. We'll see you out there.